Hey DIY warriors! Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're upgrading your toolkit or gearing up for your next home project, today we've rounded up 10 insanely useful tools that will take your creativity, precision, and efficiency to the next level. Let's dive into the gadgets that'll make you go.
Number 1. Working on electrical panels or construction sites often brings the frustration of jammed staples that stall progress and test patience. That's when the Staple Shark turns from tool to lifesaver. With a design built for both power and precision, it glides under tight staples and pulls them cleanly without damaging wires or surfaces. Whether it's cable work, upholstery, or construction cleanup, this multifunctional remover handles it all with effortless control. The grip feels natural, the leverage spot on, and the build is durable enough to take on the most stubborn staples. Even on long jobs, it stays light in hand and heavy on performance. Every pull feels purposeful, like the project is finally working with the person holding the tool. In a world full of tools that just get by, this one shows up to do the job right. It's not just about removing staples, it's about restoring focus, speed, and pride in the work. Number 2. From marking cut lines to leveling shelves, the Capro 313 MeasureMate brings quiet confidence to every project. With its sharp-edged precision and triangular stability, it yields measurements that feel deliberate, guided by a clear purpose. The 0 and center point scales speed things up, while the sliding knife guide and nail gripper eliminate second-guessing. Even tricky angles and odd surfaces become manageable with this versatile sidekick. Whether fitting plumbing, laying cable, or crafting something custom, this tool doesn't just assist, it understands the rhythm of the job. Its screened scales imperial, metric, and electrical offer control without complication. Every notch, edge, and feature feels like it was designed by someone who respects the importance of getting things right the first time. And when things finally line up exactly as planned, there's a quiet satisfaction in knowing precision wasn't left to chance. It was engineered into your hands. Number 3. Tangled wires, tight spots, and that constant search for the right tool. This 5-in-1 electrician set turns the chaos into clarity. Switch between wire snipping, crimping, cutting, and stripping with a flick, without digging through a cluttered toolbox. Everything fits in one sturdy grip, balanced and built to endure. The insulated handles feel secure, especially when voltage is part of the challenge, while each interchangeable head clicks into place like it belongs. For quick fixes or long installations, precision becomes second nature. The scissors slice through cable cleanly, and the linesman pliers offer grip that feels reassuring. Whether chasing a flickering outlet or wiring an entire workshop, this set doesn't just keep up, it leads the way. And tucked inside a compact case, it's always ready. One kit. 5 tools. 0 excuses. When the job calls for focus, reliability, and speed, this toolkit answers with confidence and just the right kind of quiet strength. Number 4. No guesswork, no frustration, just results. The iFixit Makeo Driver Kit brings order to repair chaos with a lineup that feels crafted for every possible tech fix. From consoles and phones to laptops and cameras, this 64-bit precision set unlocks the screws that once stood between broken and whole. Each bit sits in a magnetic foam bed like tools in a well-kept lab, ready, organized, and secure. The handle, lightweight yet solid, turns with smooth control, while the swivel top adds finesse to every motion. Security screws, covered. Odd formats, handled. It's like having a translator for your tech, fluent in Torx, tri-wing, pentalobe, and beyond. For seasoned technicians or curious tinkerers, this kit doesn't just solve problems, it sparks confidence. Repairs stop being stressful and start feeling satisfying. And when everything clicks back into place with the final twist, it's more than a fix. It's victory in the hands. Number 5. Sometimes a job needs more than muscle. It needs intuition, finesse, and the right kind of force. That's what the Boss Paw brings to the table. With its ability to hook nails from 4 different angles, it doesn't hesitate when old boards resist or tight corners complicate things. The design channels the strength of a claw hammer, the bite of a cat's paw, and the weight of a compact sledge. all in one balanced tool. In cramped framing or high-up fixtures, it fits where others won't and works without asking for space it can't have. The built-in magnetic nail starter adds speed and control when installing finish nails, especially in places where hands can't follow. Whether facing bent nails, damaged surfaces, or stubborn material, each motion feels deliberate, purposeful. It doesn't just pull nails, it clears frustration. For carpenters who see their tools as extensions of experience, this one speaks the language of craftsmanship without saying a word. Number 6. No more scrambling for the right size or chasing runaway bolts. This 34-piece impact magnetic nut driver set turns every job into a confident, seamless experience. From raising a car jack to building rooftop frames, each bit slots in like a trusted ally, ready to deliver grip and power without a second thought. The magnetic hold grabs bolts and screws with force, and it doesn't let go, even after repeated use. Sizes span everything from wing nuts to deep sockets, with adapters that flex between tasks and extensions that reach where hands can't. Engineered to last, it feels sturdy without being bulky, responsive without being delicate. Whether fixing a sink or installing metal roofing, this set never hesitates. It adapts, holds firm, and gets it done. Every twist feels like momentum regained. Each click, a promise that nothing is left loose. A tool that works harder, smarter, and with quiet reliability that makes even tough tasks feel surprisingly satisfying. Number 7. Precision meets simplicity in the Profiler Plus multifunction scribing tool. From tight corners to complex curves, it glides like it knows the material inside out. The adjustable scribe width locks confidently into place, removing guesswork from every marking task. Whether working on hardwood floors, custom tiles, or trim that just needs to fit perfectly, this tool doesn't just help, it transforms how the job feels. Every stroke stays true, thanks to a reversible holder that accepts various markers and pencils without fuss. The construction blends glass-filled nylon with steel bearings, striking a quiet balance between ruggedness and finesse. Even after hours of tracing, it stays smooth and intuitive. Less strain, more control. For those who measure twice, cut once, this tool becomes an extension of focus and care. It doesn't demand attention, it earns it. With markings so clean they feel like they were drawn by instinct. Always ready, always steady, always just right. Number 8. Freedom from cords, freedom to shine. This cordless buffer polisher kit turns everyday car detailing into a smooth, satisfying ritual. No more dragging cables or hunting outlets. Just pop in the battery and start wherever the surface calls. Dual action movement glides with purpose, using 6 speed settings to match every detail, from gentle swirls to stubborn imperfections. The power behind its 50-watt motor feels like precision with punch, giving surfaces back their mirror finish. On a full charge, it runs long enough to make each polish a complete transformation. Sponge and wool pads slip into place with ease, taking on car hoods, windows, boats, bathrooms, and even marble countertops. Compact, versatile, and intuitive, this tool doesn't just polish. It restores pride, revives beauty, and brings back that original gleam without the fight. Every spin feels thoughtful. Every result earns that second look. When everything around shines, so does the feeling. Number 9. Precision and flexibility aren't optional in woodworking. They're essential. These 4 pre-drilled TTracks show up ready to deliver both. With solid 3/4 inch width and 3/8 inch depth, every slot holds firm without disrupting the work surface's integrity. Spaced perfectly at 5.9 inches, the holes make mounting feel less like setup and more like momentum. Compatible with common bolts and fixtures, these tracks blend into jigs, clamps, and assemblies with seamless grace. Whether crafting furniture, adjusting router tables, or setting up CNC rigs, their smooth slide and reliable grip make every tweak feel purposeful. Built from durable, oxidized aluminum alloy, they carry the kind of strength that stays, resisting wear and corrosion no matter how many hours pass or projects rotate through. In a space where accuracy speaks louder than shortcuts, these TTracks quietly support creativity. Not flashy, but undeniably dependable, turning every workspace into a zone of endless possibility. Number 10. Reach into tight corners, open stubborn hardware, or assemble something with finesse. This 68-in-1 Ratchet Screwdriver set makes the process feel less like a chore and more like control and motion. Each bit slots in with purpose, built from high-density chrome vanadium steel that feels dependable and lasts through years of jobs. The 180 degrees rotatable handle flows effortlessly between angles, while the spring lever adds just enough tension to reach those awkward spots. Whether dealing with tiny tech fixes, home improvements, or vehicle repairs, the set adapts with smooth ratchet settings that offer just the right level of resistance. Magnetic tips hold screws steady, removing that frustrating fumble. The grip fits naturally in hand, reducing strain during long sessions. It's not just about having the right tool, it's about how every turn feels steady, confident, and precise. For those who repair with pride and build with intention, this set quietly keeps up without missing a beat.